Yo dogs, welcome back. Today I have a bit of a secret for you all. I've got a vacuum cleaner. Now this is awesome. This ties into a bigger thingy that it runs on batteries and all things. And it's got a neat little trick up its sleeve, and that's this nozzle. This one. And this goes into here, and you can kind of get into a little bit tighter spaces. However, I would like it to be able to go in very much longer and tighter spaces, you know, really small spaces. So in order to do that, I'm going to make a CAD model of another better nozzle. Special thing is to take care and make the measurements for the interface. As always, when you do design stuff, I think the interfaces is the most important part. So I like to just look and make things changes with and so just these two parallel and make that so go here now to that. Now this is like a carpenter's measurement tool. I've got calipers, of course, but just to show you that you don't actually need those, I'm going to take the measurements with this. Oh, and one more thing, I'm also going to take a picture of this from this kind of angle, and I'm going to do that for a neat little trick in the CAD that I'll show you. So I've had the measurements I would like. I know I want it to be kind of half in that end and a lot longer. So let's get over to the computer.
Okay, so here we are inside Fusion 360. It's a free software, I can recommend it. This is not going to be a beginner's tutorial. I'll leave a link to a really good channel below for that. The first thing we're going to do is to import the picture I took, and I'm going to use this as a kind of a template to start my design here. And I'm going to kind of align it, and I'm going to just make some lines and make everything fit to the picture. And then I'm going to extrude from that, and I'll know that I have kind of the correct interface, which is really good. Neat trick you can use in a lot of different ways. And there you got it. We have the correct probably interface. It's a lot longer and smaller. Here we are in the slicer. I'm gonna put this on a better surface, and bada bing bada boom. This overhang should work, and this should come out pretty decent. I'm just gonna do a final check to see if it kind of builds the way I want it to. Yes, this is a very simple part, shouldn't be any issues whatsoever. It's gonna take 1 hour 30 minutes. I usually use 0.6mm nozzle to kind of bring up the speed a bit. I enjoy that. So yeah, let's go ahead and print it out.
Alright, we are back at the scene of the crime, so to speak. This is the finished nozzle, and just to be 100% clear, the first one I made actually didn't fit. I, for some reason, had made it a few millimeters too wide, so you know, measure twice, print once. But I think this one should work. Yeah, fits snugly, and you know, a lot better than the other one, the old one. So yeah, I'm very happy with this. I've actually already tried it, and it sucks beautifully. Really blows my mind. So that's it. And if you want to see other, daily solutions for daily issues, comment below. Tell me what you want to see. Like and subscribe if you liked it, and if you want to see more like this, I have lots of ideas, a few videos in the pipeline. So catch you later, dog.